Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove app categories in Windows 11 Start menu. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Run command from description. This command helps to restore to categories Start menu. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.